It's good, guys. Back again. After no trades yesterday, ended up taking a trade today, and we took another win. So, starting off the week strong. Obviously, no news Monday yesterday, so I didn't trade. There was actually a decent setup. I'll show you guys in a bit, but yeah, no news Monday on FOMC week is not exactly a great idea. I saw a lot of people taking losses, and that's their own fault. So, trying to stay more disciplined. Didn't trade yesterday. Ended up taking a trade today. Price action was not great again. Obviously, we have FOMC with rate cut decisions tomorrow, so price was pretty choppy, as I'll show you guys, but we did end up taking $205 win on the day over two accounts. So $400 day, pretty good. Wasn't risking crazy. As you can see, I scalped $12. The trade I'm going to go over was this one. This is basically the only trade I took. But 28 minutes, 3 micros. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm keeping the risk very low for the rest of December. And need to get this balance back up. Right now we're minus $646. So we're getting there slowly. This account is actually looking good. You got 2 winning days already. 356 balance. And by the time of the new year, once everyone gets off their holidays and price action kind of figures itself out, I'm going to definitely be sizing up, going back to 5 to 10 micros per trade, risking more. So this is just going to be for December. I know I'm kind of trading like a pussy, but it is what it is. I'm just stacking money the way I can with how this price action is, and going lower contract size allows me to have my stop loss bigger without risking as much. So that's what's been working, and that's what I'm going to stick with. So other than that, let's get right into it here. Today we had 2 red folders. One at 5:15 a.m. That really didn't do anything. And one at 7 a.m. So 30 minutes after market open. That also didn't really do anything. But it was something to keep in mind going into the trading day. And let's check out TradingView here. Okay, so in the higher time frame, let's hide this for now. Like nothing much really going on, I believe. No, we didn't break above this 4-hour gap yesterday, but we got damn close. So nothing really exciting going on in the 4-hour to mark out. The 1 hour, we did break above this gap, but we still have this little tiny one up here that needs to be taken. And we do have all these lows here, but I don't think price is going to go back there, not for a while at least. And we had this New York low here, which is also an hourly low. You can also add this low into that, kind of. And this is what I wanted to see get taken out in the morning, possibly from news. And then I wanted to run up to these highs, because London low, Asia low had been taken out. This was kind of the last standing low that I wanted to see get taken out. And man, it played out perfectly today. It was choppy, but this was a great trade. So let's go over what happened here. So you can see the 5:15 news. This is the candle right here. I mean, it dumped a little bit, but nothing really crazy. And then the 7 o'clock news was this green candle here, which did get this giant ass green candle, which I should have took profit off, but I didn't. So that one had a bit more of an impact, but as you can see, it wicked all the way down and back up. But nothing too concerning. I was able to hold through that. I closed this trade 4 minutes after news because I got a little bit scared. I'll explain that. But as you can see, super simple setup. I didn't have like a lot of confluences to go off today. Price is super choppy, as you can see on the 15-minute. Like, no fair value gaps here, no fair value gaps here. Like, there was not much, and I like to enter off the 5 minute, and this was really the only gap we had here, and it was way too high for my liking. I didn't actually think we'd make it up here today. I mean, I did kind of think it, but with how choppy it was, like I thought it before the trade we'd come up here, but like look at it, look at this price action here. Like up, down, it's fucking piano keys. It's garbage. Like no fair value gaps made, so really this trade, I entered off the 1 minute, which I don't like to do. Like I like to wait for a 5 minute inversion usually. And obviously after a liquidity sweep, session higher low has been taken out, or hourly higher low has been taken out. And I like it to target the next unmitigated gap, or my best setup is targeting London high. That one usually plays out the best. And that's what we did today. But as you can see, we tapped in, swept this out, take that out of the picture. So that leaves us with nowhere to go down. And we know overall on the daily and higher time frames we're bullish, right? So all day I was looking for longs. We get this 1 minute fair value gap. Like I said, that was literally all I had to go off today. There was not much clean price action. So we invert this 1 minute fair value gap, and I entered right off the rip. Stop loss all the way down here. And this was a 1 to 3 targeting London highs, which did actually get hit about 3 hours later. And I shouldn't have pussied out. I should have just held this trade. But like I said, like even on the 1 minute, look at this price action, guys. Like this is, like look, chop, 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 random dump, and like I just wasn't confident holding all the way up there, because you, like before FOMC, you never know what's going to happen, right? So we could have dumped and taken out those other hourly highs I showed you guys. So I just wasn't willing to lose on a day like today. So I was trailing my stop very heavy on this trade, which I don't usually do. But as soon as we broke here, we broke above this gap. Oops. I don't know what I just did. As soon as we broke above this gap, I trailed my stop to right here, right about here. And then we got this big candle up. So I trailed my stop again right below this gap. And price ended up taking me out right here. So that was about a $200 win. Like I said, the reason I trailed my stop is just look at this crap. Like, and I thought we were just going to basically skyrocket off the rip here. And this candle here, this whole fucking candle spawned in about 2 seconds. This whole candle was just like straight down. That spooked me a little bit too. It didn't keep dumping, but that candle, I can't show you guys because I don't have TradingView Premium, but that candle was like literally 1 second. I thought we were just going straight down after that. So I was a little bit spooked. I didn't go break even here, which was good because I would have got taken out right here, which would have blown. But did get some profits, so I'm not complaining. Very simple trade. And with normal price action, this would have taken out London high within maybe an hour tops. So, like I said, I'm just taking small wins for now. It is what it is. I know I'll be able to take these trades and hit them full TP once price returns to normal in January. So, it is what it is. It's a good trade. It's still $400, so I'll take that. But yeah, tomorrow's going to be a crazy day. Let's look at the news. So we got unemployment hour before market open. And then 11 a.m. we got the FOMC rate cuts. So there might be a good trade in the morning. There might not. But we'll see. I'm going to take it by ear. I might not trade tomorrow. I think Thursday is actually looking a bit better. Yeah, Thursday is probably going to be a way better day to trade. So unemployment claims at hour before market open. So we'll see if I don't end up taking a trade tomorrow. That's fine. I do not feel like taking a loss right now, so we're just going to keep playing it by ear. I'm trying to stack up the small wins on this account. Get a payout right off the rip. So that's going to be about it for today, guys. I'll maybe catch you guys tomorrow. If I don't, I definitely will Thursday. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.